6BT. This engine has a broken motor mount. It is not quite as stable as it used to be, and the reason that we found out that the engine mount was broken was we started feeling really hearing some more vibrations in the boat. I mean, it actually performs very similar. It's just things just became a little bit more noisy. But what really made you know that something was up was when you shut this engine off. When you shut the engine off, there was an excessive, like a jar. And what that was just excess crankshaft momentum shaking the engine. And I'm going to show you what it looks like by hand and how easy it is to move this engine. And if yours is moving like this, you may need to go ahead and inspect your engine mounts. I'm hoping that you can see that. Let's try one more time. Hopefully you can see that, but I can clearly move that engine by hand. You know, it's on rubber shock absorbers, but it's actually the front right engine mount that's broken. But always inspect your engine mounts, at least every season, something like that. And if you notice something different about your boat, something it's just a little odd, that's probably another reason to go ahead and start searching for some things that could be wrong too. These are boats, things rust, especially in salt water. With these heavier engines, it may be easier to find out if you do have a problem, or they may start showing up sooner. You may notice something different sooner. But overall, you saw how much this engine is able to be moved, and that is due to a broken engine mount.